The Vigilon Loop diagnostic tool and the new enhanced Vigilon Loop card provide unrivaled benefits for the system integrator and their customers. The LDT is a tool that delivers real-time data on the condition of the loop cabling and the performance of the devices it's running. Faults in the field can often be difficult to find and are a drain on time to resolve. The LDT can pinpoint problems such as loose connections or earth faults to within a few meters. While commissioning new systems, the LDT allows you to check the condition of the loop handed over to you by the installer and ensuring integrity of the commission loop even at full alarm load. Use of the LDT before starting a maintenance contract can confirm any problems that may be encountered, and the built-in reports can be used to support your engineer's documentation. Now I'm going to give you a quick tour of the tool itself. The LDT connects to the Vigilon panel via USB cable, and the loop details are downloaded in a few seconds. Here the tool shows a summary of the panel, the number of loops with software versions of control and loop software, and the number of devices for each loop. The tool identifies any issues with simple status indicators. Here the exclamation mark shows there is a potential issue on loop 1. I can click on the button here and see a detailed diagnostic summary for that loop. In this view, I can see the loop map and a list of results for loop wiring and device status. There is no need to understand every detail that the tool displays. If there is an issue, this will be highlighted by a cross or an exclamation mark. If you click the exclamation mark, this reveals context-sensitive help. Here, this advises the engineer to refresh the loop reading, and if the warning returns, there may be a problem with the device. If it was a red cross, the device should be checked as it may be faulty. Further information relating to the fault is shown in this help.